First, wake up early with purpose. Start your day with clarity, not chaos. Use the first hour to focus on yourself. Second, make your bed every morning. It's simple, but it builds order and discipline from the moment you wake up. Third, exercise daily. Move your body every day. Walk, run, lift, stretch. A strong body builds a strong mind. Fourth, read or learn something new daily. Learning changes your perspective faster than anything. Fifth, keep promises to yourself. Do what you say you'll do, no matter how small. Self-trust builds real confidence. Sixth, limit screen time. Don't let your phone control your focus. Unfollow distractions and protect your attention. Seventh, eat clean and stay hydrated. Your energy, focus, and mood depend on what you put in your body. Treat food as fuel, not comfort. Eighth, spend time alone. Learn to enjoy your own company. Silence teaches clarity that noise never can. Ninth, say no more often. Protect your time and energy. Every yes to the wrong thing is a no to your growth. 10th, sleep on time. You can't improve your life if you're always tired. Sleep is not laziness, it's recovery. 11th, surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your circle shapes your habits. Choose people who challenge you to level up. 12th, stop chasing instant rewards. Long-term satisfaction builds maturity and real success. 13th, meditate or practice mindfulness. Even 5 minutes of stillness can calm your mind and sharpen your focus. 14th, track your finances. Know where your money goes. Financial awareness brings peace and control. 15th, speak less, observe more. Listening more than talking helps you learn faster and connect deeper. 16th, stay consistent, not perfect. Perfection kills progress. Focus on small daily wins instead of waiting for motivation.